Uh, Good morning, everyone, and thank you for giving me chance to present my work in this in this forum, which have very learner personnel here. So I can show my technology, what we are doing in the lab. So what I'm going to present here, like how we can detect the bacteria in food sample. Earlier, speaker talk about the urea. So I'm more concerned about the bacterial contamination in the food, which is also a major problem of food safety. So how we can make our food more secure or more eatable. So as you know, like if food is contaminated with a different type of bacteria, so it not be eatable. And so if somebody still eat that food, he can fall sick, or maybe there may be further real bad consequences of eating bad food. And I give some statistics how many people are falling sick or because of bad food. And whatever bacteria like E. coli, Listeria, Salmonella. In Indian context, like we have Vibrio, Listeria, which is having more problem in Indian context. So we can develop the biosensor which can detect the food contamination with the bacteria in a real time or in faster time. So what is the issue right now? If we talk about, like, this is a conventional method, and there is some method which is improved method, or can say fast method. So in conventional method, we use plate assays, we use microscopy, we use some assays, we use ELISA, PCR, molecular method to detect the bacteria in the food. But that all method take a lot of time to detect the bacteria presence in the food. So if we can make some improved method, or we can say optical electrochemical based method, which can detect the bacteria in a faster way, then we can make it the more friendly, or more accurate for our need, which is we need for faster determination of bacterial presence. So what we are doing in the lab, like we are developing some aptamers. Aptamer are nothing but like oligonucleotide sequences of around 80 base pairs. So if we can and our novelty is like we want to develop a sensor which can detect at least three to four bacteria in single time. And so if food have more than one type of contamination in the food, we can easily detect with this method. So we have graphene oxide sheet, and we have some aptamers, which is, I told, we have tagged with the fluorescence tagging. We did it. So once we did the fluorescence tagging, so what happened, like when this aptamer go and come in contact with graphene oxide, they go and sit on the sheets, and then they twist the fluorescence because of the FRET technique. And once we put the bacterial contaminated solution around them, the bacteria have a higher affinity for this aptamer because they are developed against bacteria only. So again, the fluorescence come back. So fluorescence on off phenomena is here. And our what is our best? What our claim is? So we are making a biosensor which is portable, cost effective, and this can detect three bacteria in single time. And its detection time is 30 minutes to 45 minutes, which we can give result for accurate result for bacterial presence. And this is we have this microfluidic chip. We can show how it's work. Like, so if we have this bacterial solution and we put here in the center well, so it's go and fill the all four well. One well is control well, which doesn't have anything, and in other three well we have a graphene paper plus aptamer for each bacteria, like E. coli, Salmonella, Pseudomonas. So depend upon the requirement, you can develop the aptamer, and you can tag your well with a graphene plus aptamer, which is you want to sense. And once you put the bacterial solution and it's going to well, is bind with the bacteria bind with the aptamer, and it's come out from the graphene sheet and is give fluorescence. So this is the picture I'm giving. Green fluorescence is because the fluorescence is coming back. So in the first in the first, like in the down first, you can see when there's no bacteria, then only you can see the no fluorescence. But once you put the load of once you start putting the bacterial sample, then the fluorescence come back again, and then you can see whether the bacterial presence is there in bacteria in the sample or not. So this is our prototype device. Like we are like this brown chip is showing the microfluidic chip which I showed in the last slide, and this chip go inside, and this is the LED reflector we have in our device. And this reflector can put light on the chip, And this camera, which is everybody having nowadays, this camera, we are using this smartphone camera, which can take picture of this macrofluidic chip, and because of fluorescence, we can take a color picture, and we can quantify. So right now we are in the process of optimizing the app, which can quantify the bacterial presence. Right now we can take only pictures of the macrofluidic chips, but once we have some calculation or some optimization of the app, and also we can quantify the amount of the bacteria in the solution. So now the constraint is only the qualitative, not quantitative, because we are in the process of making app more accurate. And if we talk about the target customer can be anything like which dealing with the food-based industries or food-based products. And if we talk about the CAGR, which is compound annual growth rate, is around 7.5, so around 7.5%. And over next year, like we are seeing the growth up to 36.7 billion in dollars. And the major company which are player of this in market is about Roche and Metronics. But right now we can also develop this type of things in the India, and which is also an emerging market, and we can do the commercialization by finding the partner with the industry. We can sign the MOU, we can scale up, we can do trials, and we can do the availability of this chip on the market. So this is the thing, and we can expect what we expect from the industry is like we want to sign MOU, which as per DVT rules is non-exclusive basis. We can do some joint research, so industry can help us to develop the app or a better device for this type of microchip based sensors, and we can develop a final partnership guidelines how we can go ahead with this type of technology. And I'm here, like, thank you very much.